Hey everyone, Sanjay here from Contro Podcast. You are listening to Cons and Show, episode number 129. And in today's episode, we are going to discuss about people have an opinion for everything that you are trying to do or everything that you really talk. Why are they like this and what nonsense are they really trying to do? I'll discuss about that. Let's get started.
Never listen to any advices. That's the advice that I want to give. These are nothing but you practice, you'll become an expert one. Your network is your net worth. But I don't know how to start. Just start.
Everybody has an opinion at everything. Why is because you should stop listening to everybody, guys. Everybody tells you that you want to do this, you better do this, you better do that, this is good for you, this is the best for you. You might never know this might be the best thing that have ever happened in your life. If you do this, this will happen, as if they are astrologers. That is how people are, and I hate those people. You know why do most of the people, somewhere around 90% of the entire world wake up every day and drive to the job that they really hate? You know why? Because they just listen to someone else and they just listen to some other words. You just have to take 100% responsibility of your own life, and you just have to have 100% responsibility about your happiness, your sadness, your guilt, your satisfaction, all that. It is you who is responsible for your life. Stop blaming others just for your mistake. If you are sad today, it is because of you. If you are happy today, it is because of you. If you own $1 today, it is because of your hard work. If you don't even own anything, if you are in a verge of filing bankruptcy, it is because of you. You have to own 100% responsibility in your life. Stop blaming the fate, stop blaming the God. None of that really doesn't work. Nobody have proved that. If you have proved that, show me. No, right? No one have ever proved that. But I can prove you that if you really own 100% responsibility in your life, you will get some enormous amount of freedom, so that you can really trust on your decision. Your self-confidence will really improve upon a lot, and your confidence. If I just break this mug today, I'll be so happy because I am the one who decides who does this mug live a long life or not. Because the company name that is on that particular mug, I have a share in it. I'll just go buy another mug. That is the freedom that I really get out of things that I am really doing. I 100% believe that everyone has that particular freedom in their life, and you have to own that freedom. That doesn't really come before you and says that, hey brother, take me, I'm your freedom. If you just take me and keep it in your pocket, every luck in this entire world will be yours. No, nobody does that. Or nobody comes and breaks your house door and sits on your couch and say, you're a wizard, Harry. No, that's not gonna happen. Or we are not so blessed, just like people saying that you're gonna be a king one day. No, that's not really gonna happen, guys. You have to own 100% rights in your entire life. You have to own your responsibility and never worry about other people's opinion. A person gets somewhere around 1 million thoughts in their entire day. Trust me, 1 million thoughts. 1 million. Go Google about this. It is 1 million. If they are really thinking about many things, it is 1 million. But that person thinking about you, that could be somewhere around probably 20 times a day. That is less than 0.00001% that they are thinking about you in their life. Then why are you really worried about their particular opinion? They have their own life. You get your own life. Why are you really worried about other people's opinion? They might tell you that, but they are not really ready to live your life. You should face your storms and you should face the reality. When there is chaos, you are the only one who should face your own chaos and you are the only one who has 100% responsibility in your life, and if you are hard, fine, you can take that. If you are really soft, and if you are really afraid of things, trust me, people will quote different opinions on you. Don't give a chance for that. So make sure, be brave, be strong. If you don't really get a chance to scold people, try tagging me in your post or in their post who try to advise you. I'll just try to comment on those posts, and I'll make sure I'll give you guys a freedom, or drop me a text in Instagram. I'll make sure I'll just spend some time just for you, and I'll try to make you better, because as we share the same planet, we live in the same planet. There is no difference between you guys and me. We are in the same planet. We are in the same. We are same creatures. We are humans. After all that, we are humans, right? So that is the reason why am I telling you that. And yeah, the shout out is for Snap Shootout. Those people have some great models, and they'll post pictures of models. It's a modeling page. I'll drop the links, and I'll drop the things over here. Huge shout out for Snap Shootout. And if you need a model, or if you need people who are interested in model, go check out their Instagram page. It's completely valuable, and they have lots of value given for you. And the region is completely Mysore, Bangalore, Karnataka. So make sure you guys go check it out. Probably a bit of North India too. So go check it out, and you can DM them to get models, all that. Yeah, it's me, Sanjay, signing off from Contrary Podcast, guys. Until then, drop your thoughts. I'll be so happy. If you need a shout out, I'll be so happy to give that. Drop your thoughts, and make sure you guys bring more and more value. I want to bring more value to you, and make sure you just drop your thoughts and give more value to the other people who is just watching this particular video and who is just reading the comments. Thank you guys. Bye.